What I experienced is like my gym orgasm. So today I want to share the story of how I first got addicted to exercising, at least the event that made me commit to it kind of for the long term. So this is the story of when I had my gym orgasm. So first of all, this was not a genital orgasm, but this was a feeling, a sensation in my spine and in my back. Maybe similar to a Kundalini awakening, I'm not sure, but it wasn't from the base of the spine. It was from the top in my head coming down into my body. So I was in my university gym at Ryerson and I was doing bent over rows with a barbell. So I was going hard and I was going for high reps. This was maybe rep 12, 13. I felt an explosion in the back of my brain. 14, 15, the explosion started to trickle down my spine. 15, 16, shooting down my spine. 17, 18 reps. The sensation spreads out of my spine into my back. Remember, this is a back exercise, right? So it spreads into my back. 18, 19, 20. The sensation spreading into my back and it's like tickling my back muscles, and that was the orgasmic feeling. 20, 21, I just kept going because that feeling felt so good. And I kept going to like my mid-20s and then I dropped it. I will never, ever forget that feeling. And that was what I thought was, or what I experienced as like my gym orgasm. I don't know if anyone else has had any similar experiences. I've told a few people about this. No one I've met has had a similar experience, but if you know anyone that has or can explain what the hell happened, let me know. But that is a story of my gym orgasm.